In this video, we will walk you through the steps to using the Cashback Assistant. This is an agent designed for financial or sales departments to gain insights into customer orders and cashback situations through multiple dimensions such as time, recipient, and weight, while also generating reports. Click on this button Start Chatting with Agent Bot. Type in the time range of the order data you want to query. The correct format should be XX days. The maximum of 30 days of data can be queried. Take an example here. Type in 2 days to query and analyze. The agent will specialize in transforming complex data into clear and actionable reports. Data Overview module records the details information about the order. Cashback Calculate display the cashback for each order. It is calculate based on the weight of the order. Generate Key Findings, Recommendations and Visualizations modules, providing valuable insights for strategic planning and business optimization across various domains. Click on the pie chart for viewing the data distribution. Click on Download button to download the report file. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use TMS pairing into Order Cashback Agent.